Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if iPhone is real. So these are one of the ways you can check if your iPhone is real and recognized by Apple ecosystem. So the first thing you have to do is go to your settings, then scroll down a little bit and tap on general. Then you see the option at the top which is about. Just tap on about. Then on the screen you can see the name, the iPhone, the iOS version, the model name, then the model number and the serial number. So just copy on the serial number, copy it, then go to your browser. You can use Siri, then tap on use the search bar and search for Apple serial lookup, Apple serial number lookup. Search for it. Then once you search for it, the search bar will bring out the Apple website where you can paste in your serial number to check if your iPhone is real. Then scroll down a little bit, then paste in your serial number into this box. Enter a serial number, paste your serial number, then submit your serial number. Then this will automatically search for your phone serial number, then to bring out the date of your purchase, the result of the serial number search. Once you have this, it means that your iPhone is real. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.